Right boys, on the way home. You know, there's no better feeling when you're at work and then you get the email that you've been waiting for 2 weeks that your parcel's been delivered. I got that today, and you'll find out, I don't know how I'm gonna put this video together, because 2 weeks ago I started recording it, and yeah, I ran into a little problem, and it's installing some wind deflectors, as you'll find out later on in this video, and things didn't quite go to plan. So depressed now. I wish I got that on video, but trying to fit the wind deflectors, pulling them out of the car, got trapped in the door, didn't they? Snapped. Right guys, so yeah, I'm not quite sure how this video is going to come together, because obviously I've recorded it in, you know, bits and bats over the past week or so. But hopefully it shows your outfit on, if you had no idea. Alright, so now we're going to fit the wind deflector. I've already fitted the passenger side. I've got the metal clips. After playing about with the passenger side, I decided, you know, two clips is enough. Alright, yeah, so what you want to do is get the deflector. You peel off this tape. There's tape at both sides. Peel off. There is, when you order it, it does tell you that there's a video on the website, and it's not. It's just a guy with a load of pictures, and it doesn't really help at all. But what you do, you put the back side in first, and the front bit that goes near the mirror. Actually, no, you put the front bit in near the mirror first, and then you put the back side, and then you just sort of bend it in. It's a bit weird why they do it like that. But anyway, do it like that. It just seats in nicely. And then you get these clips like this, and you just wedge them up. Let's open door, lads. Let's open door. Best if I get you off the tripod for this. And where they go, you can see the wind deflector here, and you just wedge two, one near the back, and one near the front here, where the door is. Okay, and you just use a screwdriver, just push them up. Alright, so we're just going to do that, and I'll show you when it's done. These clips have a little tab on them, and you want to make sure this goes sort of on the inside of the car, if that makes sense, and the flat edge you know, rests against the deflector. Just fitted them. I don't think you'll be able to see, but the things are just up there, you can see them. And after that, you want to just put the window up. Make sure it goes up alright. Come on, focus camera, focus. Yeah. There we go. Wind deflectors on. You want to just leave the window up for about 10 minutes just to let the the double-sided tape on them just, you know, stick properly. But other than that, looks smart. I actually think I fitted this driver's side better than the passenger side. Wrapping gap pins. So yeah, looking good. Alright.